This is how I turn a 2D sketch into a 3D printed model. Let me explain a little bit. Here I got my dimension. I wanted it to be 150 millimeters, so I put my dimension and I scale it up in Fusion. I am not the best when it comes to 3D modeling specific, like cars, figurines, faces, creatures, or whatever. As you can see, this came really out of proportions. But still, it is a nice practice, you know. As you practice, you get better at it. And I highly believe that whoever can draw nice models and nice faces, creatures, whatever, will be really good when it comes to 3D modeling and Fusion. For me, I'm not the best. Just assemble the wheels, just add a dot of glue. Do the same thing for the second wheel. Then we got our body. Just goes through. It spins like it should be. Got a little bit offset, and we add the other wheel. And here is our ugly looking car with wheels. Of course they spin. That's the most important aspect. When I can see models that the wheels don't spin, I say that it does an extra 5 minutes to make them spin. Why? You just glue them to the body and that's it. My models all will spin. This is Dominic Toretto's car. With the fake bars underneath to make it really.